Okay, we talked before break, and you guys have been doing good. I've been watching you about monthly payments and where the payment goes, interest and principal. Okay, now we want to pay off our loan. We want to get rid of the loan. And guys, you make the choice if you have a loan, whether you want to pay off the loan early or whether you want to just keep making monthly payments. It's your choice. Okay. Sometimes it makes no sense to pay off the loan early because I got to come up with $1,000 to pay off the loan early, whereas I can just continue to make $120 payments once a month for the next 9 or 10 months. Okay, you make the choice. But since this is a math class, we're paying off all the loans early, even if it makes no sense. Keep that in mind. So the final payment is I am paying off the loan. In this case, I'm paying it off early. Now, there's two parts to this question. Number one is, what do I have to pay off the loan early? Pay it off early, what do I have to pay? That's step one. The second step, which you need the first step to do, is once I paid it off early, did I save any money? Because be honest, the only reason you want to pay it off early is you save money. If I'm not saving any money, I might as well just make monthly payments. Okay? The payments are less than what I have to pay. So sometimes, especially if you have a high interest rate loan, 20, 25, 30, 35, when I was your age, right after you got out of the military, you know, you go to these stupid hole in the wall little places that give you loans and they charge you like 28% interest. And this was back in the mid 80s when the interest rates were high. You want to get rid of those loans as quick as possible because you pay more money. Okay? So step one is I got to figure out how much I got to pay off the loan. Step two is once I do that, what did I save? So reading the question, you plan to finance a purchase of a $1,200 electric scooter. You may have had those are kind of cool. I wouldn't pay $1,200 for it. You're going to get a 12-month loan at 12% interest with a balance of $816.04 after the fourth payment. They want to know, I want to pay it off. The next payment, I want to pay the loan off. I got the money, I got income tax refund, whatever. Grandma died, she gave me some money in the will. However you got the money, I want to pay it off. So remember, before you go anywhere else, banks will always get the last penny from you that they can get. So they're always going to add another thing of interest to you. They're not going to just say you owe $816.04. Where's your check? They're going to add some more interest to it, always. So again, just like we did before, what do I owe on the loan right now? And again, the interest rate divided by 12 months per year. My interest that I will owe, $8.16. We've already done this. You've already done a good job. I've been watching you do it. This doesn't change. Then you take the interest that you just calculated and you add it to what I owe. I'm going to pay them $824.20 and check the math. I'm pretty sure that's good, but check the math anyway. I'm going to pay that, and the loan is done. I'm done. I'm walking away. No more monthly payments. I saved whatever. Okay, so that's question number one. My final payment. What I owe plus the interest on what I owe, and I'm done. Now, and the formulas are on the back for this. Now I want to know, did I save anything? Okay, so and again, the formula's on the back. So what you're going to do is, if I had made the payments like I was supposed to, I'm making $106.56 monthly every month for 12 months. Which is on question 2. That's how much your monthly payment is. $1,278.72. So if I had paid the loan the way I was supposed to, monthly payments, that's what I would have ended up paying. Now, what did I actually pay? So from this, I'm going to subtract everything I paid. So it says I made 4 payments. Okay, so 106.56 times 4. And I got 426.24. Because that's how many payments I've made. So keep in mind, it's how many payments have I made? Plus, what did I just pay right here? I paid it off. So 426.24 plus what I just paid to pay it off. Total amount I paid on the loan was $1250.44. The total amount they would have charged me on the loan was $1278.72. Subtract the difference.
28.
So by paying off the loan early, I saved $28.28. Again, this is a math class. We're going to do it. In the real world, would you have come up with that much money just to save $28? I don't know. I've seen it both ways. Okay. But think about this. You paid it off early and you got 8 months of no payments, $106 payments. Okay. So you don't have to come up with $106. Yeah, if you had the money available, paid off the loan, you don't have to worry about getting a money order or going into the office and paying off the loan once a month. You're done with it. Okay. So that's some of the reason you pay off the loan early. And having been, when I was not much older than you guys, my wife and I went to those credit recovery places. That's the first thing they do is they pay off the loans for you. Okay, so they want you to pay off those loans to get rid of them so you don't have monthly payments. So that's what you do. Step 1 is the interest on what you owe plus what you owe paid off. And then what would you have paid minus what you've already paid? Okay, anybody got any questions? Again, the formulas are all in the back. It's just plug in the formulas and that's it. And this is it, guys. Tomorrow's worksheet is, you're going to look at it, it's going to be super, super simple. And then we'll do the spreadsheet after break tomorrow.
Wait, when you did 106 times 4, it was 422. Oh, right.
106.56 times 4, 426.24. It's a question, it's not a statement. Did I get it wrong?
No, it was right. I wrote it down wrong.
Happens to me all the time. Okay. Anybody else questions? Okay, guys, this is it for today. Again,